Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Jasmy coin generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.1% in most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely critical. Jasmy especially has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $217,128,215 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,547,054. This truly makes Jasmy coin especially positioning at 139 in the digital currency market, which generally is very critical. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin really be in every practical sense? Worth in 2023, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Is Jasmy coin in all things considered wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Will Jasmy value sort of outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in an exceptionally significant manner? These in every practical sense are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023 as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Jasmy cost in a real sense is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the really current year ought to be $0, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, Jasmy can basically arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0, or so they really thought. Jasmy coin value expectation May 2023. Jasmy coin cost especially is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0 May 2023, while the truly normal cost of Jasmy for the May in a real sense stays around $0 value gauge June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Jasmy coin especially is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a very least value worth of $0. The Jasmy cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0, the very normal cost around $0 and in every practical sense, large way. Jasmy value figure July 2023. The Jasmy coin estimate for July 2023 expects that the Jasmy may especially arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0, a truly least cost of around $0, which generally is very huge. Discussing the genuinely normal value Jasmy can stretch around $0 July, or so they in every practical sense thought. Jasmy coin value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin truly is generally anticipated to really arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0, a fundamentally least of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Jasmy coin cost is figured to essentially arrive at a least cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Jasmy cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest cost of $0, the especially normal expected cost around $0, or so they generally thought. Jasmy value figure October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Jasmy coin is supposed to arrive at a very least value worth of $0. The Jasmy cost could by and large arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0, the truly normal cost around $0 in unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin truly is supposed to really be at around a sort of least of $0 in unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin cost can sort of arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0, the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. Jasmy value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin is gauged to especially be at around an essentially least worth of $0. The Jasmy coin value worth can basically arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the very normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in a kind of huge way. Jasmy coin genuinely passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been by and large diminished by 0.07% in its for the most part current worth in a truly significant manner. Assuming we by and large analyze the sort of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap for the most part is additionally down, which is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin in a real sense is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Jasmy basically is down to nearly 1.44% in the absolute most recent 7 days and in an every practical sense significant way. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for essentially past certainly couple of days. The coin could have in every practical sense solid basics, however, we don't especially imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, in spite of prevalent thinking. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of JASMY especially diminished by 33.560%, disposing of an incredible really normal amount of $0 its essentially current worth, or so they explicitly thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a kind of good purchase, a valuable open door for by and large fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change is near 13.06%, and the cost truly circled from a truly least truly normal cost of $0 in every practical sense. Most extreme by and large normal cost of $0, the genuinely beyond 90 days. Further appearance how the JASMY cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0, the truly normal expected cost around $0, a fundamentally significant manner. In especially most recent 4 months, Jasmy coin truly has shown a developing pattern in a huge manner. Subsequently, we really believe that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, or so they generally thought, as indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Jasmy coin certainly is expanded from 4 months, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its value, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin especially is up by 20.93%, with the especially most extreme genuinely normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0. The base typical cost of explicitly was around $0 beyond 4 months in a quite large way. Jasmy coin value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will by and large be Jasmy coin worth in 2023? Which especially is very critical. The JASMY cost is going to in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of $0, really least cost of $0, the finish of 2023. Does Jasmy coin for the most part have a future, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Jasmy coin has an extraordinary really potential to especially arrive at new levels, or so they certainly thought. It generally is figured that JASMY will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way, as indicated by in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business experts. Jasmy coin can basically raise a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of 3 cents till 2030. Is Jasmy coin truly worth purchasing in 2023? Jasmy coin's worth especially is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general fundamentally empower cost rise, or so they sort of thought. If it's not too much trouble, note, there in every practical sense is a gamble to any speculation, showing how JASMY value figure July 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for July 2023 expects that the JASMY may arrive at a greatest worth of $0, a base cost of around $0, a significant manner. Simply put resources into what you can in a real sense achieve prior to reaching any resolutions, and direct the most extreme examination conceivable in an unobtrusive manner.